Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ilya, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to use the Amazon Affiliates program. Okay, so I'm going to take you kind of step by step of how it works once you are told of all the greatness and all the good things that it does for you. Now, how do you use it? So here we are at the home page. Well, this is the home page. We're actually at the product link page. So the first thing you want to do is, well, I'm going to show you how to find the links. So you go here, boom, you click product links. This is where you go looking for what type of link you want to use. And so here you are, it's going to be the search. You can search all Amazons or Amazons in a specific country or wherever you're located. You can also type something specific here that you want to find, or here they're going to give you suggestions. So we're going to do two examples. We're going to go and use this example. So let's say you want to promote this, the Terminator movie. We're going to click this. It'll take us to the link, the buyer page. So here we are now. You can see all the information. You can see how it's doing, how many ratings it has. It's very important to know how well the product that you want to promote is doing. You don't want to promote something bad. So here you are. You can read all the information, how it's going, how many people are buying it, how much it sells for. And then you go here. You saw it opened it in a new tab. So you come back here. And if you like this and you want to promote this, you click on Get Link. So you click that. And it sends you here. And here you will have access to the link in text and image form with the HTML down here. You can have it in text only format. So you come here and you have HTML, you have the link, and you have the short link. And you also have an image version of it and a widget version of it. Let's just click that. So this is what that looks like. For this example, we're going to use text. Let's say you use text only. When I do it, I use short links. So I copy the link, I copy it, and how I'd like to promote my Amazon affiliate links is right now I'm promoting them through blogs. But I just started, so I'm not like making crazy money on this. So I come here, and this is an example of a blog that I wrote, 5 Empowering Books by Black Authors. And so I wrote each tidbit of information about each book that I'm recommending, and at the bottom of that I have the link to book, and so they click here for the link. So when you copied your link here, when you copied it here, you paste it in your text. So whatever website or blog you're using, it'll have an option to add a link. So I had my link right at the end of it, and then I click, or whenever the audience come, they click on that link, and that link sends you here to the product page, just like how we were with the Terminator. Now it brings them here, and they can buy that product using your link. So here's the book, here's all the information. The cool thing is, if they decide that they don't want to buy this book, they still got here using my link. So they can go around the store, look around, buy other things. When they buy something else from the store, you still get a commission because they used your link to buy something after that store. So that's really the best part, is your link just needs to send them there. They don't have to purchase whatever it is that you gave them the link to. They have to buy something. I believe it's within the first 24 to 48 hours. They need to purchase something using your link. So they keep that page open. They decide they want to buy something. It could be a $60 item or a $10 item. You still get a commission of that. So that's quite amazing. And so that's basically how to use Amazon affiliate marketing. You can use this on blogs like I do. You can use it on YouTube. You can use it on social media platforms. But now you know how it works. So when you sign up for your free account, now you know what to do. When you see this page, you know what it means. You know what to do with it. It's just this is the basic way of using Amazon Associates program. And so that is basically all for now. If you like this information and you find it useful, hit that like button. It really helps me grow my YouTube account and help other people find useful ways to make money for free. So if you also want other videos that are related to making passive income and like how to make money online and all of this, feel free to go and look at my other videos. If you want to learn other things, maybe Amazon affiliate marketing is not for you, but you'll find other things that work better. And they are all free. Everything that I recommend is free. You don't need to create an account that is going to ask you to pay anything. This is a free method of how to start generating income. And the rest is all you. The amount of work you put in is just it's all up to you. For some people it's very successful. For the ones that is not successful for them, they're the ones that have not really put in the work. So yeah, put in some work. You're gonna see the rewards. And just to throw myself a little plug out there, I do suggest you go and look at my website and look at the blogs that I've written to get more examples of how to include your Amazon affiliate links to your blogs. So go and give it a read. There are some cool blogs that I've written out there, and the website as a whole is I think worth a look, as it's about self-empowerment. A lot of the things I write is basically how to help other people achieve greatness in life. So go and look into that. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. Again, hit that like button and subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. I won't be seeing you. You won't be seeing me, but you'll be hearing me. But I hope that you watch more of my videos if you like this voice. If not, let me know and I can find someone else to narrate. Bye.